One of the skills that I sort of struggled with when I was learning to quilt was mitering my corners because it just felt a little bit confusing to my brain. It wasn't like registering. And then I watched a video on it and it really helped me. So I wanted to make a video to show you all how to do a mitered corner on your binding. And by mitered corner, I'm talking about this is your corner and this is how you're going to sew it on, because then when you flip it out, you will have a beautiful corner with a miter where it turns the fabric around that corner nice and neat. Let me show you how to do it. When you approach that edge, you're sewing at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. I want you to stop 1/4 inch away from the edge of your quilt. Sew a back stitch. If you feel better sewing 2, that's fine. And cut that thread. Pull the quilt out and turn that corner. So you'll have a 1/4 inch right here. And what you're going to do is take this binding, fold it up so that your corner and the point of your folded fabric meet. Fold it up, press it a little bit to make sure it stays put, and then fold it back down with that folded edge hitting the raw edge of your quilt. Now remember, this is how I do mitered corners. You may know a better way, and that's fine. You may want to learn a different way. That's fine too. This is just one way to do mitered corners that I have found really easy for me to do, and I really enjoy this process. So you're gonna place your needle just a little bit in from your folded edge, and I want you to back stitch once or twice till you get kind of close to that folded edge. Straighten your fabrics back out, and with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, you're gonna keep going. That corner will now on the outside, when you flip it right side out, be a mitered corner, and I will show you that here in just a second. This is what your mitered corner will look like once it's sewn. Isn't that so neat and tidy? Super pretty. That is mitering corners 101 when you are quilting. Let me know if you have questions in the comments, and if there are any other little tutorials like this that would be helpful to you, let me know that as well, because I'm happy to do it. Like and follow for more.